GLS, resume the clock on your mark and hold at 5 minutes.
I copy. 3, 2, 1, mark.
And we're at T-minus 9 minutes and counting, with the understanding that we'll be holding the count again at T-minus 5 minutes.
ISL, TRPS, Houston flight, activate.
ISL comp, and we will be holding off on the match recorder activation until T-minus 5.
Yeah, ISL, I'd like to go ahead and activate MADS also at this time.
NTD flight?
Go flight.
Yes, sir. You called?
Yes, activate recorders, please.
Copy. We'll put that in work.
ISL, NTD, copy, MADS recorder, activate.
ISL copies.
Thank you. PLP, OTC.
Go ahead.
Bigger fuel cell, central bus switches.
That's in work.
CRPS, NTD, copy, recorders.
TRPS copy.
Thank you. CRPS, OTC.
This TRPS.
Start APU hydraulic strip chart recorders.
Copy.
1046 complete.
Starting CPLT, essential buses connected.
Copy.
T-minus 7 minutes, 30 seconds and counting.
Let's go for orbiter access arm retract.
And we are retracting the orbiter access arm away from the vehicle. We're retracting the orbiter access arm away from the vehicle. This is the walkway used by the crew
Hold it to 5
to
minutes.
gain entry into and out of the vehicle, and can be returned to position within seconds if needed.
And NTD ISL. Go ISL.
Yes, sir. We'd still like to hold off on the MADS recorder because Houston has informed us that if we start them now, we won't have enough tape to perform the mission.
T-minus 7 minutes and counting.
ISL. ISL. So when we give the command to activate the MADS recorder at 5 minutes, how long does that take long to be verified?
Approximately 15 seconds.
Okay.
T-minus 6 minutes and counting.
PLPOTC.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're going to hold.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're going to hold off on our APU pre-start. I'll give you a command later.
I understand.
Orbiter test conductor George Gross talking to pilot Kim Bowersox regarding the auxiliary power unit.
Okay, I copy.
At this point, they will hold on the pre-start procedure.
SRO NTD 21.
SRO?
Any update on your intruder?
No, sir. No, it's on intruder, and we still no go for sealing.
And we're at T-minus 5 minutes and holding. Holding at T-minus 5 minutes. We have just over 16 minutes remaining in our window this morning. At T-minus 5 minutes and holding, it is a standard procedure to carry out the countdown in this fashion, waiting solely for weather. with the expectation that if the weather does clear up, that we can then pick up the count and be only 5 minutes away from launch.
Denver Sentinel NTD, again, we're holding here at T-minus 5 minutes due to SRO, who is no-go for an intruder in the area, plus ceilings less than 8,000, and also for flight, who is no-go for crosswinds currently at RTLS. And as a reminder, we do need to be postured to come out of this hold once those two constraints clear.
This is Shuttle Launch Control at T-minus 5 minutes and holding. We've been in this hold now for just about 3 minutes and have just over 13 minutes remaining in our window this morning. The concerns we have that are keeping us from picking up the count and continuing our launch procedures are the weather, the crosswinds at the shuttle landing facility, concern for low cloud ceiling, as well as showers that are in the extremes of the 20-mile shower ring around the shuttle landing facility. Also, there is a concern for a large vessel that is making its way through the solid rocket booster recovery area. This particular vessel is, attempts are being made to contact this particular vessel by Coast Guard and range safety officers. It is unknown at this time if the vessel is responding to those requests for contact. At the shuttle landing facility, the most recent reports we have are that at the north, central, and south ends of the strip, we are seeing red lines with our gusts up to 16 and 19 knots, which are above the 15-knot limit. The plan right now is to maintain our posture at this hold T-minus 5 minutes until the window closes altogether, and that will come about 12 minutes.
NTD SRO on 2.
Go SRO.
Sir, just give you an update. We have contacted the vessel. It's approximately 700 or 800 foot long. We have not confirmed that it has maneuvered out of the area at this time. Therefore, we'll still no go for SRB area. For the ceiling, it should clear up momentarily, and I'll get back with you on that.
And any estimate on when intruder would clear?
Negative. We're just trying to confirm that he is moving out of the area.
Okay.
The range safety officer has confirmed that they have made contact with the vessel and the booster recovery area. It is a 700, 800-foot long vessel.
OTC NTD 212. Go ahead. Perform APU pre-start. TLT OTC.
And they are confirming that the vessel is moving out of the area.
Perform APU pre-start.
APU pre-start's in work.
Pilot Ken Bowersock is reporting that the APU auxiliary power unit pre-start is in work. That should be complete in just a few seconds.
shape PLT, APU pre-pitch complete, trigger 8 tox. Copy.
Pilot Bowersox reports the pre-start of the auxiliary power units is complete.
SRO entity 212.
SRO?
Is there any relief on your 2 constraints?
No, sir, not at this time. We're really close to it, though.
Okay.
Launch Director Bob Seek is continuing to receive information regarding the winds and the cloud cover.
NT flight on 212.
We need to pick up the count within the next 2 minutes, or we will not be able to meet our window today.
And additionally, we're currently observed no-go due to ceiling and forecast no-go due to occasional ceilings at 7,000 feet.
Okay, I copy. And do you expect a relief on that in the next minute and 40 seconds?
No, sir.
I copy.
NTD Launch Director.
Go ahead.
Well, it looks like the events beyond our control are going to keep us from launching today. So we'll call it a scrub, and we'll try again tomorrow, T0, approximately 1/2 hour earlier. Nice try from the standpoint whole team, and maybe we'll have better luck tomorrow.
Okay, I copy that. Gave it a try. VLS ND give cutoff.
Yes, sir. Cutoff positive name.
Launch Director Bob Seek just reporting that we are going to call it quits for today. The vehicle was in good shape. Everything was supporting except for the weather. That, of course, is beyond our control. We will try again tomorrow. Our launch window tomorrow extends from 4:26 a.m. to 5:08 a.m. Eastern Time. At this point, the orbiter access arm being returned to its position so that the crew can egress the white room. The white will be sent back up to the white room. The white room crew will be sent back up to the white room, and they will be assisting in opening the orbiter's hatch, and the crew will be making a orderly egress vehicle and returning to the crew quarters at the operations and check facility.
Panel R2, APU hydraulic.
Where they will remain for the rest of today and
1, 2, and 3.
be back on their launch schedule roughly an hour early than it was today. And we'll try again tomorrow morning.
Tower 2, APU hydraulic main pump press, 1, 2, and 3, all 3 switches norm.
Main pump press going to norm.
Copy.